Hey everyone, today we are going to go through all things media in this video, and I've got our coming new media library browsing experience up here. When you click your related industry, we will be showing you relevant apps for each industry, and you can also browse by category now. Or you could just view our traditional app listing here. We are regularly adding new apps, so check back often to see what media app types you have. Let's just kind of go through it, right? So you can bulk upload 100 plus media at once, so images, videos. The trick here is you want to hold the shift key down, right, to multi-select on our PC, and you can hit save, and then it'll upload those for you. I guess we could why not just do it? These are a few mock-ups of our latest website revision that I had on my desktop. So you can add media directly to a playlist or broadcast from here, and you can also schedule this media to turn on and off within a playlist, as well as enable, disable, and just write any notes that you need to remember. And so we click save, and these will then be uploaded and optimized for smooth streaming and great playback. You can view your latest media library here, and very soon you'll be able to see, if you're working in a group, you'll be able to see who has last updated it or made a change. That's also part of our activity log that is freshly available here, and that will be probably moving up here. We're just putting the finishing touches on things, but that'll be available depending upon your plan, and you'll be able to kind of see a preview. So if you're in Pro or above, Pro or Business Edge, basically will get visibility to the activity log, so you know who's doing what. I think that's very helpful. We have to store that data, so it costs money. So we're adding that to our Pro and above plans. Back to media. We're just going to go to the traditional listing here. We recently added Google Traffic, Windy, Notion. Power BI is coming as well. That'll be available on our Pro plan. Google Sheets is available pending approval, and Google's reviewing that right now. You can create and save things from Canva, so you can bring all your designs from Canva via the share menu in Canva. We are one of the apps that's just look for Display Now in there, and you could save directly to the media library, and that links your designs. So when you make a change in Canva, you could easily just click a button and boom, it's updated on your screens, and you can kind of preview all of that. Google Slides, again, easy peasy. Once your Google Slides, so you have a Google slide deck, you want to make sure that it's accessible to anyone with the link. So it'll give it a private link that has a long string so no one can guess it. When you sign in on Google Slides here, it will pull in that link and then show your slides. And every time it cycles through, it refreshes and gets the latest changes, so your slides are never out of date. The same applies to PowerPoint. You're able to sign right in, select that from your OneDrive, and go from there. Weather, clock, self-explanatory web pages. We support some web pages where you need to pass a custom header for authentication and security. We allow you to pass multiple headers, and you can select the refresh interval as well. Back to our media list. YouTube, you can select, and we now support playlists and live events as well as YouTube videos. Vimeo as well. You can upload PDFs. This is our staging environment, so there's some junk in here. So let me go back to production. I wanted to show you the new stuff. But in addition to YouTube, Vimeo, we have news and calendar, and we will be working on our own social media wall, as well as SCADA for scheduling, basically a web link. So that is media in a nutshell. And if you need any help, we are available through chat. Clara, our AI assistant, has been optimized for every inquiry we get, so we can provide round-the-clock support, and we monitor this throughout business hours. So we encourage you to engage with us and let us know if something's missing, because we prioritize based on what you guys want to see. One thing I forgot, and the most important thing, that we have now have done for you content with the Daily Loop that is available in production today. So you can come in here and get, we have content that's refreshed daily, right? So you don't have to worry about creating your own content. This is friendly, family-friendly content, and it is available for just $8 a screen per month, and you can see a preview here. And then you can add it to your playlist and so on, and use that throughout Manager. So I'd encourage you to check out our Media App Store. Most items are free, and we plan on opening our Media App Store up to the public for everyone to be able to build on the Display Now platform in the coming months. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and appreciate you supporting us.